Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So, pretty much one-way traffic. We are heading up. Don't like this grouping of the oscillators at the moment. We do have a couple of measured moves on offer, but I think the important thing for me at the moment is this zone. It's a very tight zone. Okay, so you can see these previous highs here, and we've struggled with it for 2 bars at the moment, last 2 bars. So it was a range bar, then sort of another range bar off that level. So I do believe that that's going to come back and get tested on the higher time frames. But for now, trend is up. This channel is pretty strong, and you can see we've had a move sideways, second move, so consolidation. Don't like the price action that I'm seeing at the moment, so that is just a little bit concerning for me. I would feel a lot more comfortable with a pullback, and which would then set up, for example, this double bottom here. Now you've got so many measured moves on the offer. There's the first one. You've got so many measured moves. You've got consolidation moves. There's another little consolidation move in here as well, but I actually don't see these moves playing out. So the trend is up, but I'm a little bit skeptical. I am in a trade on the S&P 500 already, and I'm not entirely convinced that we're going to get the targets that we're looking for. This is looking relatively tired. It's looking very much overbought at the moment. Volumes are extremely thin. Yesterday the volumes were almost public holiday type volumes. So now I'd like a deep pullback, but obviously we can't just sit and wait for that. So at the moment, for as long as we're staying above this trend line, you're looking to buy off the trend line, and my advice is get your stop to entry as soon as possible, and either take profits on your on every single little measured move. So you're going to come down to like a 15-minute chart or even a 5-minute chart, to be honest, and you're going to look for measured moves. So at the moment, if I just delete all the noise, we're on the 15 here. We've got a consolidation area here. Okay, so obviously if that breaks the upside, there's your first measured move. Okay, if it breaks the downside, that's a buying area over there. So that's the first thing. Then obviously you've got this measured move here, which will probably be the same. Yeah, pretty much the same as the range. So that's kind of the small trades that are on offer. So on the bigger time frames, it's not looking very pretty. It's looking very tight at the moment. But on your lower time frames, there are opportunities. So yeah, drop down to the 15-minute, drop down to 5 if you have to. Just keep your levels drawn in. Make sure that you've got your major levels drawn in, so that you know exactly where they are. Reduce your trading size and trade. You keep your stops relatively close, and be prepared that you're probably going to get taken out of a trade fairly soon. And I'd still be going with the trend, and that's pretty much what my strategy is right now. Just carry on going with the trend. There's no reason to be shorting. This is long only, and we just keep going long. But you don't want to be long at the top of a move. You want to be long from the bottom of the move. So any retests of breakouts and you start getting price action on those retests, that is what you're looking for. Okay, so this high of yesterday with this area that we're sort of bouncing around at the moment, obviously it's not a decent test. There's a decent test. So I want to see a break above 31,370, retest that, and then the next thing I'll be looking for is to see what transpires in this range. Break the range, that's the first target there, 31,482. Then I would expect consolidation at that level. And to be honest with you, I'd probably just move stop to entry, move stop a little bit, lock a bit of profit in, and then see what transpires here at 31.42. I think 31,500 is obviously a round number, and then you've got 3,200 as well, which is more than likely, 3,200, so which is more than likely going to attract the bulls at the moment. Anyway, that's it for me at the moment. Hopefully it's not such a grind as what it was yesterday. Yesterday was low volumes and flipping grind of note. Hopefully we get some kind of action here, but we'll have to wait and see. Anyway, keep those stops really tight, guys. Don't assume anything at the moment. I think the only thing that you should be assuming is the probability of a sell-off is getting stronger and stronger as we go along. However, the trend is up, and the bulls will keep buying until they see a signal that tells them that they need to be on the opposite looking at the opposite direction. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.